Hi, it's Tina from Lessons for Little Ones, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a picture into the Meet the Teacher form or the welcome letter. Now in this tutorial I'm using the bubble theme, but this will work with whatever theme you have purchased. So the first thing you do is you come up to Insert and you click Insert, Image, and then you want to choose where you have stored the image, whether it's in your computer, your Google Drive, your photos. You just click it and then browse to where you have stored the image. Mine is in my computer, so I'm going into my computer. So you find where the image is on your computer, select it, and then click Open. And then your image will appear. Now if you just want to keep the square image, all you do then is just size it using the handles around the outside and put it on the form. However, I'm also going to show you how you can crop it to a shape, because a lot of the templates I used, you might want it to be round like this one. So you go up here to the crop form and you hit the arrow beside it, and then you hit shapes and you choose the shape that you would like to use. So for this one I want it to be a circle, so I'm going to click the circle. And then as you can see, it crops your image to the circle. Now if you like how they cropped it, great, then you just resize it and move it to the template. But let's just say maybe it didn't crop it quite the way you wanted it to. Maybe you just want to show more of just your face. So you go back up here where that crop tool is and you just hit the crop, and you'll see the black cropping handles around it, and then you can use that to just tweak exactly where that circle shows. And then once you get it to your liking, you click off the image and it will be cropped. And then you can move it up to the form and use the handles here to size it. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions about inserting your photos, please feel free to email me at lessonsforlittleones@gmail.com.